rental market offers a lot of opportunity to agents who want to grow business. Here are 3 situations where we can offer solutions for your customers. Most of the time, you'll be writing a policy to match a 12-month lease. Or you might help out an owner wanting to sell, but who needs to cover the mortgage by renting it out. But you may also come across a short-term rental opportunity, especially if you live in a resort area or sports town. Just add our endorsement to cover Airbnb-type properties. Not many other carriers offer this. The third rental opportunity is for more established real estate investors. You can bundle up to 30 homes onto one policy with one bill to pay and one renewal date. That makes the insurance much easier to manage. Our rental program accepts more than just single-family homes. Duplexes and 3- and 4-family homes are all welcome. We have options for rentals in good condition that maybe need replacement cost coverage, and also those that might need a little work or that are older. And all protection classes are accepted, even 9 and 10. That's great for a cabin in the woods or a summer home near a lake. You can customize the coverage with options like short-term rental, premises liability, vandalism, burglary, water damage, and more. Selling these rental solutions can really build your business, whether it's short-term or a normal 12 months. In nearly all states, we can even add multiple units onto one policy to make it easier for a landlord to manage their coverage. For details on this and all of our product lines, check the website